Hi, thank you for coming back to the Alchimie Forever YouTube channel. I would like to talk to you today about our Kantic Plus Nourishing Cream, previously called Kantic Plus Intensely Nourishing Cream, but same product, same formulation. This is the most hydrating of our three moisturizers. It is a heavyweight texture. Imagine a cream, you put it on your face, it absorbs, but you still feel like you're wearing a cream. You feel like you have an amazing barrier that protects your skin from the environment. This is a moisturizer that is targeted to dry, dehydrated, mature, sensitive skin types. If you are more on the normal skin type, you can use this as a night cream. If you are more dry or dehydrated, you can certainly use it twice a day. So we've talked a little bit about the texture. Where does this nourishing texture come from? We love the combination of jojoba and vitamin E. This is the moisturizer where these two ingredients are most highly concentrated. So you're getting nourishment from jojoba seed oil and from vitamin E, which is an oil-based vitamin. What else does this moisturizer do? One very special ingredient in this cream is red clover. Red clover is an ingredient that is very rich in plant estrogen. Now, don't worry, this is not human estrogen. It will not impact hormonal levels in any way, shape, or form. But what red clover and the isoflavones molecules within it do is it helps to stimulate the skin's natural collagen and elastin production. And very importantly, it helps to restore the skin's natural barrier function. So think about a dry, dehydrated skin type. You need more moisture. You also need to teach your skin to hold that moisture better. And so an improved barrier function will assist with that. Also, typically, a drier, more dehydrated skin type tends to be more mature, and typically, unless you're, superwoman, a more mature skin type comes with a slightly slowed down mechanism of collagen production, which is why we have more wrinkles. And so the red clover has this dual benefit, not only helping your skin hold its moisture better, but also helping your skin be more plump and activate or stimulate that natural collagen formation mechanism. So I love this moisturizer. I use it myself as an evening cream. It is, again, perfect for dry, dehydrated skin types twice a day. And I think of it as my complete anti-aging care. It's bringing me hydration, it is bringing me antioxidants, and it is helping to plump my skin and activate my collagen production. I hope you add this to your routine today. Thank you.